Hey, we're sitting here getting ready to leave for Las Vegas for InfoComm. Here's John.
What's up?
Here's Matt.
What's up?
I think Jenny put us on the cargo flight. The seats have no padding, and they're just basically plastic with a little bit of vinyl over top of them. So hopefully we see some cool stuff in Vegas. Hey guys, we're here at InfoComm. Here's Johnny, first day.
What's up?
Here's Matt. Check out this video wall.
Getting ready to burn another hundo. Bill's getting ready to burn another hundo.